Good morning students. Let's continue with our chapter PowerPoint 2010 Visual Effect Part 2. In previous video we learned how to open MS PowerPoint and some views like normal view, then slide sorter view, then reading view, and at last we learned how to see slideshow. And today we are going to learn how to apply this animation effect. Animation effect. PowerPoint offers animation support which can be used effectively to add some motion, a monotonous presentation, and make it more interesting. Students, animation can be applied to any object on the slide, and the motions can the automated time or trigger. Now let's see how to apply animation effects. Following are the steps to apply this animation effect. Go to the animation ribbon and click on the animation pen to display the animation slide bar. Then select one of the object in the slide and click on the Add Animation menu option. Then choose one from the animation option. There will be three options are there: entrance, emphasis, exit, like this, and you can choose anyone from here. When you will open entrance, there will also 4-5 option, in emphasis also, in exit also. In each and every one is having 2-3 options. When you add the animation for an object, it will show up in the animation. Then by default all the animation are from the timing section. You can also manipulate the animation timing. To preview the animation setting, just click play on the animation pen. Students, now I will show you practically how to use this animation effect. Students, to apply this animation effect, first you have to click on this animation ribbon. Here you can see this is our animation ribbon. Now I am going to click here. First you have to click here. Okay. Then click on this custom animation. When you will click this, a dialog box will appear. Now you can see here custom animation is here and it is written select an element of the slide, then click add effect to the animation. Okay. So which one you want to, in which object you want to give the effect, select on that. First I want to give animation effect in this text. Okay, so I have selected this text or object. Then here it is written add effect. You have to click here add effect. Okay, when you will click in this, you can see 3 options are there: entrance, emphasis, and exit. Exit is having also 3-4 options. Emphasis is also having 2-3-4, and entrance is also having. You can choose any of this. Okay, whatever you want. I am going to choose this entrance, then a fly in. Okay, I have clicked this animation. You can see when you will click on that, you can see start is there, direction is there, speed is there. You can change it according to you. I am going to keep this speed slow. Okay, you can see this is coming in slow motion. As I have clicked here, you can see here, if I have clicked here very fast, then it will come in very fast. See, I have clicked here very slow, it is that's why it is coming very slow. From bottom you can choose from left. Okay, it will come from left. If you will choose from bottom left, then it will come from bottom left. See, from where you will choose, it will come. Okay, Then here it is play button is there. If you want to play it, you can click on this play button. Now in this way you can add effect to your object, or where you want you can give this effect. I'm going to give effect in this, then select this one, then go to the add effect, then emphasis, then font size or gross spin, okay, like this, then okay, then play. You can see the animation effect. In this way you can keep effect to your slide. Students, I hope you understood this video. So you have to write the animation steps in your computer notebook. You have 7 steps that you have to write in your computer notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.